Your tummy tuck can come undone if you exercise incorrectly after surgery. This is why, if you are having a tummy tuck or have just had a tummy tuck, you need to learn how to use your abdominal muscles correctly with the Tupler Technique, either before or after surgery. I'm Julie Tupler, creator of the research and evidence-based Tupler Technique program to treat diastasis recti for women, men, and children, no matter how you got it or how long you've had it. I've been treating this condition for about 30 years now, and one thing I know for sure is that you use your abdominals with every move you make. If you don't engage your abdominal muscles, for example, when you stand up after surgery, both your muscles and stitched connective tissue move forward, putting force on your stitched connective tissue. Continuous force on your stitches will make them come undone. That is why, for a successful surgery, you need to develop transverse muscle strength and awareness, preferably before abdominal surgery, so you know how to use your abdominal muscles in the recovery process with both activities of daily living and while exercising. Your transverse muscle is your innermost abdominal muscle and needs to be prepared for surgery. To learn how to do a diastasis-safe workout after a tummy tuck, please click on the link below and download my free Tupler tips. Also, if you found my video helpful and would like to hear more videos, I would so appreciate it if you would both like it and subscribe. Thanks so much.